So we're out in Plano, Riachi Townhomes and Riachi Apartments, and this is about a 550,000 square feet, 5,500 square apartment complex. It's one of the largest complexes in the Dallas area. We actually replaced this roof about 5 or 6 years ago from hail damage. The high winds that we get in this area, along with the hail that we get pretty much every year, it was a no-brainer for this owner, and we are taking off an old architectural shingle and going back with an IKO Dynasty Class 3 with 130 mile an hour wind rating. Every single shingle that we're putting on out here is an IKO Dynasty. There was quite a bit of hail that hit this area of Plano back in May of this year. So we've replaced a lot of houses around this complex. Pretty big job, but no job too big for us.
We've been working with IKO for about 5 years on countless multifamily projects, commercial projects, and certainly a lot of residential projects, not just in Dallas-Fort Worth, but really all over our state and in a very large region. When Invictus Roofing and Solar launched, we knew our standards were high. We wanted to be a premier company offering quality product. We needed someone that could deliver on time, deliver in a way that really represented our values and the values of our founders. We just needed the right partner, and IKO was that partner.